5 hidden Android features you're missing out on. Bring back lost notifications. It happens. You mistakenly swiped away a notice you intended to read, and now you think someone emailed you but aren't sure. You may examine all Android notifications. This is doable but hard to locate. Lock phone borrowers inside one app. App pinning helps you be generous without compromising your privacy by locking one app to the screen until the lock screen PIN or biometrics are entered again. Without your credentials, the user can't use your phone. Disable the lock screen at home. To protect your phone, set up a PIN or biometric scan. But this makes app access harder. When you're home, Google's Smart Lock function helps you unlock your phone instantly. Activate one-handed mode. Phones becoming bigger and tougher to use one-handed. Google's default keyboard on certain Android phones provides a solution, a shortcut-enabled one-handed mode. Run apps side by side. This capability has been forgotten by most users. This side-by-side or top and bottom app view helps you show photographs, optimize social media, and multitask.